Good evening, guys. Beta. Today we'll be discussing circles paper. I've already sent across the paper to you. Let's start solving, beta. I request everyone to join. Encourage your friends to join. It really helps. You can revise all the topics. So you can revise all the topics one by one. Chalo. Let's get started. 1A.
So on the first one, there's no value given.
Yeah, but I'm just doing that only. Huh?
Okay.
So I'll give you the value. Don't worry. Chalo. I'll give you the value. Beta. Okay, guys. Chalo. Huh? So values हम लोग लेते हैं CD, BA. Okay, this is P. This center O. But please make change this. PD को 4 centimeter ले लो and PC and CD is 8 centimeter. ठीक है बेटा? So now let's get started. Little bit of hiccups, but let's get started right away now. ठीक है? We have to find the value of radius R. क्या find करना है बेटा? Radius R. आपको given क्या है मेरा बच्चा? PB का length 4 centimeter is given. PC and PD is given as 8 centimeter. Find radius R. Please update the question accordingly. ठीक है? But if you recall, I told you here most of the students lose marks. Can you tell me what
OP is, so we're Pythagoras, so OP is 4, right? I think.
Yes, O is center.
Yeah, so OP is 4 and then Pythagoras 8 and 4 and then I think.
No. One major mistake most of the student makes. I told during the lecture hours. Okay, anyways, I'll tell you. But it is already said PC and PD are equal. They are not mentioned 90° anywhere. So first statement you have to write that OP is perpendicular to CD. How? You have to write down the statement: line joining from center of circle
Bisects the base.
midpoint of the chord. It is already bisected, beta. It is already bisected. To midpoint of chord is perpendicular. तो ये converse है. ये perpendicular दिया नहीं कहता, हम लोगों ने बोला perpendicular है. क्यों है? A line joining from center of circle to the midpoint of the chord is perpendicular. Therefore, OP perpendicular to CD. Now the main sum starts, beta. Now let us assume OB and OC are the radius. उसको R assume करते हैं. क्या assume करते हैं बेटा? Radius को R assume करते हैं हम लोग. बेटा OB is made up of, बोलो. OP plus PB बोल सकता हूँ बेटा मैं. OB is radius which is made up of OP plus PB. OB का वैल्यू R है बेटा. PB का वैल्यू 4 है, तो OP कितना हो जाएगा बेटा बोलो? R minus 4. Now last. ये P है, ये O है, ये C है. ये 8 सेंटीमीटर है, ये R है और ये R minus 4 है. So by Pythagoras theorem क्या होगा? R square equals to 8 square plus R minus 4 the whole square. R is 10 centimeter. Guys, समझ में आया आपको मैंने क्या किया इधर?
So how is that R minus 4?
बेटा the entire OB is radius which is R, out of which PB which is 4. So remaining कितना हुआ बेटा? Will you agree with me?
Yes, understood.
Sir, how did you find PV? Like, it's not given.
PB is 4 given, I am telling you.
Oh,
Okay, in question it was not mentioned, it is given. Huh? Chalo, let's move to next question.
so 1 second, I'm not done.
Yeah. But ये first statement लिखना मत भूलना. But it was not mentioned perpendicular, it became perpendicular. Huh? Okay guys, चलो. But it is mentioned, very important, arc AB equals to arc BC. Therefore, I can mention AOB equals to BOC. अगर आर्क इक्वल है तो उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग सेंटर एंगल भी इक्वल हो जाएंगे. So अगर AB and BC are equal, तो AOB and BOC also become equal, which is 48 degrees. AOB and BOC also become equal, which is 48 degrees. फिर OBC पूछा आपको बेटा, ठीक है. तो ये ट्रायंगल ले लेते बेटा OBC. बेटा ये कितना है BOC 48 है. बेटा OB and OC क्यों इक्वल हो गए बोलो बेटा.
radii of a circle.
Radii of
Same
circle.
circle. तो बेस एंगल्स भी इक्वल हो जाएंगे बेटा. सो कैन आई राइट विद योर परमिशन A plus 48 equals to 180, 2A equals to 132, so A is 66 degrees. Will you agree?
Yes, sir.
बराबर बेटा, guaranteed. जैसे इक्वल कॉर्ड सबटेंस इक्वल एंगल एट द सेंटर, तो वैसे ही लिख सकते हो इक्वल आर्क सबटेंस इक्वल एंगल एट द सेंटर. ये आर्क AB एंड आर्क BC इक्वल थे, इसलिए उसके सेंटर के एंगल्स भी इक्वल हो गए. Then they have said AOC. Okay, it is made up of AOB plus BOC. OAC बेटा. Can you observe triangle OAC बेटा? बेटा OA and OC are equal. Why? Why?
So radii of same circle.
Radii. तो बेस एंगल्स इक्वल फिर से बेटा. तो क्या है D plus B plus 96 equals to 180. 2B equals to 84. B equals to 42 degrees. Therefore, angle OAC is equals to 42 degrees.
So what statement do we write that AB and BC are equal?
AB and BC, it is given na beta. Arc AB equals to arc BC given है ना बेटा.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Therefore, we say angle AOB equals to angle BOC, equal arc subtends equal angle at a center. Equal arc subtends equal angle at a center बेटा. Comfortable?
So we don't need to prove how angle AOB is equal to angle BOC.
No, just write a statement na. Equal chord subtends equal angle at the center.
Okay.
But they have mentioned arc AB to arc BC are in the ratio 3/2. Same way में बेटा arc AB के सामने कौन सा एंगल है बेटा AOB. Therefore we can write directly, no statement, it's okay. AOB to BOC is also in the ratio 3/2 beta. AOB to BOC is also 3/2. AOB to BOC is also 3/2 beta. So 96 upon BOC is equal to 3/2.
So what reason we write for that?
The same reason होगा equal chord subtends equal angle at the center या or in the angle corresponding at the center. रुक एक मिनट तो ऐसे स्टेटमेंट बना सकते हैं. इट्स नॉट रिक्वायर्ड दो बट तू बना सकता है बेटा. The angle at the center will be in the same proportion as their arc are in. ठीक है मतलब if the arc is in the ratio 3:2 the angle corresponding at the center, okay, the corresponding angle at the center also will be in the same proportion बेटा. ठीक है क्या लिखोगे बेटा? Say just give a try.
Angles at the center corresponding will be equal.
Angle at the center will be in the same proportion, will be in the same ratio corresponding to their arcs. ठीक है बेटा? Angle at the center will be in the same ratio corresponding to their arcs. ऐसा बोल सकते हो. So BOC is equals to बेटा 96 into 2 divided by 3, 64 degrees. कितना बेटा? 64 degrees BOC बेटा. फिर क्या क्या पूछा है बेटा? ABC पूछा है. ABC. ओके बेटा देखो बेटा सिंपल है. OA and OB are equal तो मैं कहने से XX. Similarly OB and OC are equal तो कहने से YY बेटा. तो पहला एंगल हम लोग ये ले लेते हैं. OAB ले लेते हैं बेटा. XX 96. और इधर OBC में हम लोग क्या लेते हैं बेटा? Y और 64. तो कैसे x plus 96 equals to 180, 2x equals to 84, x equals to 42 degrees बेटा. y plus 64 equals to 180 बेटा. 2y equals to 116, so y is 58. Therefore angle ABC is made up of x plus y. degrees. Are you comfortable बेटा? Guys किसी को कोई डाउट है कुछ पूछना है? Please ask. बेटा किसी को कुछ भी पूछना है तो please ask. Please give a try for 2A. They are same. 2A and 2B are in the same way.
So the first part, can we do it in unitary method? So like 3x is 96, so what is 2x?
Yeah.
Okay.
Common multiple ना बेटा you can take.
Sir, how did you find BOC as 64?
You calculate beta. Since the arc AB and arc BC were in the ratio 3/2,
3/2.
तो आर्क के करस्पॉन्डिंग जो एंगल होते हैं वो भी सेम रेशियो में होता है बेटा. सो AOB और BOC भी 3/2 रेशियो में हो जाएगा.
Okay, sir. Okay.
But they said length of arc AB is twice length of arc BC. The moment they said ना arc AB के सामने कौन सा एंगल आएगा बेटा? देख के बताओ. बेटा ये डायग्राम है आपका. तो AB के सामने कौन सा एंगल आ रहा है? Therefore, can I say beta with your permission, AOB will be 2 times BOC. ठीक है? बस एग्जाम में खाली इतना ही लिखो बेटा. Length of arc AB is 2 times length of arc BC. Therefore, AOB will also be twice BOC. बस 100 equals to 2 times BOC बेटा. So BOC will be 50 degrees. कितना? BOC will be 50 degrees. फिर आपको कौन सा पूछा है? क्या पूछा है? Find BOC and OAC. Okay. For OAC, guys, can you help me out? पूरा एंगल AOC कितना हो जाएगा? 150 degree. OA and OC are equal, beta. Can you say? OA and OC are the radii, so base angles have to be equal, beta.
So what is the statement so that you made them equal?
Radii of the same circle are equal. Therefore, the base angles are equal. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. चलो guys, 2A done बेटा. Can you try 2B on your own?
Sir, can you go over the sum again, please?
बेटा क्या दिया है उन्होंने? आर्क AB is twice आर्क BC दिया है बेटा. ठीक है?
Yes.
Therefore, I can say angle AOB is 2 times angle BOC. Same reason हम लोग जो अभी दे रहे थे ना, जैसे देखो how when the chords are equal तो it subtends equal angle at the center. वैसे ही अगर कोई आर्क एक रेशियो में है तो उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स भी सेम रेशियो में होंगे, ठीक है। सो
Okay.
AB इज 2 टाइम्स BC, तो AB के सामने सेंटर वाला एंगल कौन सा है बेटा?
AOB.
AOB, और BC के सामने क्या है?
BOC.
ठीक है। आप रीजन यही लिखना हर एक में, अगर आपको पूछे ना इसमें तो रीजन यही लिखना, इक्वल आर्क सबटेंड्स इक्वल एंगल एट द सेंटर, इक्वल आर्क सबटेंड्स
Subtends
इक्वल एंगल एट द
equal
सेंटर।
Okay, sir.
रीजन यही रहेगा सबके लिए, सबके लिए। Even for the previous case the reason will be same only. So AOB 100 दिया था तो BOC आपको 50 मिला, ओके। तो एंटायर एंगल AOC कितना हो गया? ट्रायंगल AOC कैन यू ऑब्जर्व?
Yes, sir.
कितना हो गया?
150.
150 हो गया बेटा।
Yeah, because AB is twice. I got it. Like the ratios.
And then the radius and base angles are equal.
Okay, sir.
Perfect. चलो great. Shall we move ahead बेटा?
So can you repeat the statement?
Equal arc subtends equal angle at the center.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. चलो next sum try करो बेटा. I would appreciate that.
So done.
Good.
So can you help in 2C?
I'll do it definitely. Go ahead बेटा, तुम लोग continue करो, मैं 1 मिनट में करता हूँ.
Okay, sir.
चलो नेक्स्ट सम 2b. If AOB is 50, देखो बेटा सिंपल है, AB, BC और CD दोनों इक्वल दिया है, therefore मैं बोल सकता हूँ बेटा AOB, BOC और COD ये भी इक्वल होगा बेटा, तो तीनों तीन कितना हो जाएगा 50 50 50 हो जाएगा. Will you agree बेटा?
Yes, sir.
फर्स्ट AOC पूछा है, AOC कितना हो जाएगा बेटा बोलो, 50 प्लस 50
100.
100. AOD कितना हो जाएगा बेटा
150.
150.
150.
BOD again 100.
100.
Very nice, very nice.
OAC is 40.
OAC बेटा ये कितना हो गया 100 हो गया,
40.
तीनों साइड इक्वल है, बेस एंगल्स इक्वल बेटा,
Angle OAC is 40.
एंड ODA
15 degrees.
चलो बेटा 2C जाए, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद 2C. आर यू ओके बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बेटा AB is the side of regular pentagon and BC is the side of regular hexagon बेटा. Very easy question but very important also. But I can watch for one thing. हम
So
लोग जितना sums
360
करें-
upon n.
हम लोग जितने सम्स करें उतने सही आएगा. AB is the side of regular pentagon. तो AOB कितना हो जाएगा, सेंटर पे कितना एंगल हो जाएगा बेटा 360 को 5 से डिवाइड करने का
72.
72 degrees. And secondly, BC is a side of regular hexagon.
60.
60.
Okay. चलो
I didn't understand.
बेटा whenever they say AB is a side of regular pentagon. Pentagon मतलब क्या होता है बेटा 5 sides में डिवाइड होता है
5 sides. हाँ.
इसलिए 360 और एंगल का पॉइंट क्या होता है 360 होता है ना. सो
हाँ.
फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर पार्ट ओनली AB का पार्ट के सामने जो एंगल होगा वो कितने पार्ट्स में डिवाइड होगा 5 पार्ट्स में.
Okay.
सिमिलरली BC इज अ पार्ट ऑफ रेगुलर हेक्सागन ना, तो उसकी BC के सामने क्या होगा BOC, तो वो कितना हो जाएगा
Upon 6.
अपॉन 6.
Yeah.
पेपर ठीक है परफेक्ट बेटा. फिर आपको थर्ड क्या पूछा है AOC पूछा है. चलो ठीक है AOC कितना हो जाएगा
132.
फिर क्या पूछा है OBA. तो ये ट्रायंगल है क्या OBA.
Base angle 52. 54.
OBA OBC. ABC. ये
So
A है
114.
ये B है.
114.
अंडरस्टूड बेटा 2C. गिव अ ट्राई टू 3A.
Yes, sir, correct.
गुड. चलो बेटा, let's move. थ्री ए बेटा. बेटा they said AB is the side of regular hexagon. बोलो चलो बेटा. AB is side of.
Hexagon, sir, answer is 60.
Very nice.
AOB is 60 and AOC is 45.
Perfect, my child.
Yes. So on BOC is 105, I think. 105.
BOC has to be 105 ना बेटा.
Yes.
OBC पूछा है.
So will OBC come on point? Yeah.
Yeah. चलो कंप्लीट करो. थ्री है. चलो बेटा मूव टू 3B फटाफट. कम ऑन गाइस.
So radius in 3B is 15.
Let's see. I have not seen that question.
Achha, okay.
So I'm getting the answer as 18 centimeters.
Maybe.
Done. This
Fine.
one.
Sure. Let us move to the 3B.
So the length of the second chord is 18. Yeah, when I'm getting that only.
Great. चलो 3B साथ पे करते हैं. Two parallel chords are drawn in a circle of diameter 30 centimeter. Okay. Two parallel chords are drawn. ठीक है. ये 15 centimeter, ये 15. The length of one chord is 24. Okay. And the distance between the two chords is 21 centimeter. Find the length of the other chord. Find the length of the other chord, beta. Okay. Find the length of the other chord, beta. Listen carefully. See how I'm doing it. I'm not writing a statement. Just pay attention, beta. बेटा हम लोग क्या बोलते थे? Perpendicular drawn from center of circle to the chord bisects the chord. क्या लिखेंगे बेटा? Perpendicular drawn from center of circle to the chord क्या करता है बेटा? Bisects the chord. Will you agree, beta? Therefore, CM and DM both are equal, which is how much? 12 centimeter. How much? 12 centimeter. Beta, by Pythagoras theorem, you tell me, beta. If this is 15, this is 12, so this will be 9 centimeter by Pythagoras theorem. Will you agree? And Mn is made up of OM plus ON. 21 is made up of 9 plus ON. So ON becomes 12 centimeter. In triangle OA and O now. This is 15 centimeter, this is 12 centimeter. So by Pythagoras theorem, this becomes 9 centimeter. Therefore, AB becomes 2 times 9, which is 18 centimeter. Also, everyone got the same answer, guys? But
Yeah.
same answer मिला तुम लोग को?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. कौन सा property use किया? Perpendicular drawn from center of circle to the chord bisects the chord.
Sir, even the 3C answer is 18.
Really? चलो let's see. 30 minus 12 आ रहा था ना कुछ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. चलो 3C करते हैं अभी. टू कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल है मेरा बच्चा. ए बी सी एंड डी बेटा. ओपी आपको कितना दिया है 16 सेंटीमीटर. ओबी कितना दिया है बेटा 20 सेंटीमीटर. ओए कितना दिया है 30 सेंटीमीटर. सॉरी 34 सेंटीमीटर. तो पहले हम लोग ट्राइंगल लेके बेटा देखा. ओ पी बी लेके बेटा. कौन सा ट्राइंगल? ओ पी एंड बी बेटा. This is 20 centimeter. This is 16 centimeter. But by Pythagoras theorem, you will get this as 12 centimeter on Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Similarly, OPA दिख रहा है बेटा आपको? OPA. This is 34 centimeter. This is 16 centimeter. So by Pythagoras theorem, you will get PA as 30 centimeter. बेटा ये Pythagoras theorem से आएगा. कैसे? Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, beta, what is AP made up of? AB plus BP. AP का वैल्यू 30 आया. PB का वैल्यू 12 है. So AB will be 18 centimeter. Hope so are you comfortable beta with the concept of 3C beta?
Yes, sir.
चलो फटाफट लिखो. Then I'll move to 4A and 4B and 4C. चलो fast.
Done, sir.
Super. If I get time tomorrow, but tomorrow I'll be doing little bit of let's say trigonometry. Okay, let's do some part of trigonometry beta. Okay, 4A.
So can you please?
ने फोटो भेजा बेटा, चेक कर.
I'm not on the group.
The radius of circle is 17 centimeter and length of perpendicular. Oh, very easy sum. The time pass sum, bonus sum मतलब. बेटा radius is 17 centimeter and length of perpendicular is how much बेटा? 8 centimeter. Find the length of the chord. But you tell me by Pythagoras theorem, if this is 17 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter. So by Pythagoras theorem क्या होगा ये बेटा बोलो?
15.
Perfect बेटा. Will you agree with me?
Yes, sir. So then the length of the chord will be.
Sir, AB is 30.
Yes, sir.
PA is 15 and we all know perpendicular drawn from center of circle to the chord bisects the chord. Perfect. बेटा ABCD is square मतलब all four sides are equal. Will you agree? So BOC will be what beta? Come on, tell me. 360 divided by 4. Just like regular pentagon, ये square है मतलब all four sides are
90.
equal.
90.
OCB beta. OB and OC are equal, so base angle has to be equal. A plus 90 equals to 180. बराबर बेटा?
45. 45.
COD beta. Same COD will also be
90.
and fourth BOD will be
180.
90 plus 90, 180. Very nice. Chalo. Beta 1A and 1C are exactly same. Give a try. Same answer आएगा, same values है. 1A and 4C. Give a try. Values are same, beta. Can you observe? 10 आया बेटा आपको आंसर. उसमें भी क्या करोगे बेटा? R और R minus 4 करोगे. क्या करोगे बेटा? R and R minus 4. Will you agree?
Yes, sir.
चलो करो, खुद करो बेटा. I'll wait for 2 minutes. चलो ठीक है बेटा. होप सो आपको समझाओ बेटा. Then also now go through our notes. Please A and C only exercise you have to study. 17A and 17C you have to study. Okay my child.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye
Thank you,
beta.
sir.
Bye beta. Take care. We'll meet tomorrow again for some new chapters. चलो bye.
Bye, sir.
Oh,
Thank you, sir.
Bye.